Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to track pending deposits on Robinhood. Tracking a pending deposit on Robinhood is straightforward. You'll need to navigate to the history section of your account. Here is the step-by-step process. First, open the Robinhood app on your mobile device or log in through the website. Next, go to your account section. This is usually represented by a person icon. If you are using the mobile app, look for the menu icon, often 3 horizontal bars, and tap on it. If you're on the website, this step may be skipped. From there, select the History tab or link. The History page is where you will see a record of all your activity, including trades, withdrawals, and deposits. Look for a section often labeled Pending. Under the Pending section, you will find your deposits that are still being processed. Each pending transfer will be listed. Tapping on a specific pending deposit will give you more details. This information typically includes the amount of the deposit, the date it was initiated, and the estimated date the funds are expected to be fully available in your account. Standard bank transfers usually take up to 5 business days to complete. The status shown here confirms that the transfer has been initiated and is in progress. The estimated availability date is key for knowing when you can use the funds without restrictions. If you have instant deposits enabled, you may have immediate access to trade with a portion of the pending deposit, but the full amount must still settle. The History page will help you monitor the settlement process for the entire transfer. Keep in mind that factors like bank holidays can affect the processing time. Always check the estimated availability date in your history. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.